A true and powerful contender for MidJourney? We'll see about that. Welcome back to AI Plus More, your hub for all things artificial intelligence and beyond. Today, we're diving into the world of image generation with a spotlight on Blue Willow, the rising star in the field. Is it truly an alternative to MidJourney? Stick around as we explore its features, performance, pricing, and how it compares to its well-established competitor. Now let's begin our journey by acquainting ourselves with Blue Willow, a powerful image generating tool driven by artificial intelligence. With a rapidly growing Discord community, this user-friendly platform is making waves in the digital world, enticing over 100,000 users in its early days. As we delve into its capabilities, we'll see how it stacks up against MidJourney in terms of artistic style and image generation. How to use Blue Willow's AI image generator. Getting started with Blue Willow is a breeze. If you use MidJourney, you'll feel right at home. We'll guide you through the simple process. You join the Blue Willow Discord community through an invite link, access the rookie channels, and type /imagine in the chat to input your prompt. From there, the AI works its magic, generating 4 stunning images for you to explore and customize. Its art generation is a boon for creativity. From logos to photorealistic scenes, it caters to diverse projects with ease. We'll explore the range of styles, themes, and color schemes available, enabling you to create an image that perfectly matches your vision. The best part? No specialized skills or experience are required, making it accessible to everyone. As Blue Willow continues to evolve, we anticipate exciting updates and improvements. Blue Willow is undoubtedly a tool to watch for AI image generation enthusiasts. Blue Willow versus MidJourney, a showdown. Blue Willow and MidJourney share similarities, both access via Discord, offering innovative AI image generation. MidJourney has been the big contender since the beginning. However, Blue Willow sets itself apart by being free to use, at least for now, making it an enticing option for artists and creators looking for a cost-effective alternative. We'll dive into the comparison of their image quality, consistency, and user experience to see how Blue Willow stands up to the seasoned MidJourney. Huge disclaimer, the content in this video is based on available information and personal experiences. The performance of Blue Willow and MidJourney may vary for some users. We encourage users to explore and experiment with both platforms to find the best fit for their creative needs. All the goodies from MidJourney, such as the AR command, will work on Blue Willow. For those that don't know, AR lets you change the aspect ratio of your generated images, like AR32, for example, will tell the AI to generate landscape images. Remember to be as specific and detailed as possible in the description for the best results. Just like that, you'll have 4 stunning images available to download and use in less than a minute. The fun doesn't stop there, though. You can enhance the visual quality of a single image by clicking the U button, create 4 alternative images of an image with the V button, and generate new grid of images by clicking the refresh button. Once you have the perfect image, don't forget to save your masterpiece. On a computer, open the image to its full size and right-click to save the image. For mobile, hold your finger on the image and tap the download option, share, and then save. Ready to take your creativity to the next level? Start powering your imagination using Blue Willow's AI technology. The prompts may fall on the basic side. Also, you can't do a variation on an upscale, and it uses Stable Diffusion model. This means the bot that is trained on. MidJourney has a different model. So it was trained on a different manner, and it was a different set of pictures used than Stable Diffusion. Several users have mentioned that you can privately chat with Blue Willow and get more info, and that it's made the experience so much better. Here's an example I found on Reddit where a user asked ChatGPT to describe certain concepts without mentioning its name, then generating an image from MidJourney and Blue Willow. You can see some examples here. OP described a radiant and uplifting emotion, like a burst of warm sunlight on a cloudy day, filling one's heart with joy and contentment. It comes from experiencing moments of fulfillment, harmony, and inner peace, creating a sense of well-being and positivity in life. Like a gentle breeze, it touches all aspects of existence, brightening the path of those who embrace it. This is the result from MidJourney, and this is the result from Blue Willow. Also with the description of a pizza, of love, of death, football, and a car. You see for yourselves, folks. Let's go with a basic prompt guide for Blue Willow. When you provide a prompt to the Blue Willow bot, it generates an image based on the text you've entered. To do this, the bot breaks down the prompt into smaller parts, called tokens, which it then compares to its training data. By using a carefully crafted prompt, you can encourage the bot to introduce a unique and interesting images. A basic prompt would be a word, a phrase, or an emoji can serve as a basic prompt. Detailed prompts can include one image and URLs, multiple text phrases, additional information, or one or more parameters, allowing for even more nuanced and intricate image generation by the Blue Willow bot. As I said, image URLs into a prompt can impact the style and content of the final image, allowing for a more personalized and unique output. The parameters can be different things like ratio, negatives, or more. To achieve the desired output, it's important to place the parameters at the end of the prompt. Human subjects, buildings, architecture can be good starts for prompts. Also natural landscapes, wildlife, and more. Remember to think about its action. If it's a subject, if you're creating a character, what do you want to see it doing or where it is located? Think about the settings. Is it daytime, nighttime, dark, shadowy? Is it festive or celebratory? Or other environments? Also, what details, what clothing or accessories are worn by the people in the image? The composition of buildings and other architectural elements. What style modifiers would you add, like visual styles? Specify the desired artistic styles such as realistic, impressionistic, abstract, approaches such as including an artist's name associated with a particular style, like Picasso or Monet. You can talk about lighting. You can determine the lighting of the image, including brightness, contrast, and shadows, the color schemes. If you specify the overall color palette of the image, including hue, saturation, brightness, the textures determine the texture and surface details of objects in the image, including smooth, rough, or other textures. The effects, like special visual effects to the image, such as blurring, distortion, or other digital manipulations. And lastly, the creative properties. You can also achieve a desired effect with the name of an existing video game or movie property that has a strong visual style. When crafting your prompt, think about these 5. The medium, decide whether you want the image to be a photograph, a painting, or a line drawing, for example. The subject, specify what the image should be focused on, such as a person, an animal, landscape, or other elements. The elements themselves, identify the specific details that should be included in the image, such as certain colors, shapes, textures, or other visual features. Composition, determine the arrangement and placement of the visual elements in the image, including the framing and perspective. The emotions or the mood, specify the desired emotional or atmospheric tone for the image, such as happy, sad, dramatic, peaceful, or other moods, and add anything else, like changing and tweaking the placement of words is a beneficial practice to improve writing prompts. I'm going to give you a quick word on parameters. For now, there are very basic commands that you can use. In the future, there will be more. There's the command --no that you can use for specifying that something should not do something. For example, no 3D or no cartoon. Aspect ratios, you can do --AR32 or --AR23. And also your models, the model V1, V2, V3, and V4, which is the one enabled by default, are all --V1, then --V2, and so on and so forth. You can see here in an example by Blue Willow the difference in result by generating from different models. As we said, the different parts of a prompt are called tokens, and right now it's a maximum length of 70 tokens, and it works with multiple techniques, so there's a lot of options for you. When it comes to image, you can use this technique where an AI creates a new image using an existing image and text prompt. The new image will have similar colors and layout as the original image, but the original image doesn't have to look nice or have specific details. The original image is just a guide for the AI to make the new image. To incorporate images into your prompt, simply insert or paste the web address where the image is located online, ensuring that the address has an extension of PNG, GIF, or JPEG. After specifying the image address, you can include any additional text or parameters to refine your prompt. You can also upload an image to Discord. If you want to include a personal image in your prompt, upload it to Discord by clicking the plus sign and then upload a file. Once the image is uploaded, you can add it to your prompt by typing /imagine and dragging it to the file into the prompt box. You can also right-click the image, select copy link, and paste the link into the prompt box. Make sure the image URL has a JPEG or PNG extension. A quick note on privacy: to keep your images seen private from other server users, upload them to the Blue Willow bot via direct messages. You can add these images to your prompts by dragging the file into the prompt box or copying and pasting the URL. You subscribe to the paid version by typing in /subscribe to view the available tiered options and click on the corresponding link to subscribe to your chosen tier. In the words of the Blue Willow creators, what makes it unique from other AI text-to-image generators? Blue Willow is like a Google Flights for AI models. It enables users to find the right model depending on their goals. Unlike other AI text-to-image generators, Blue Willow is an aggregator of multiple AI models, including models like Stable Diffusion. You own the rights to all of your creations. You are free to use them in your art or for commercial gain. If you're not familiar with AI image generators, as I mentioned, Blue Willow started out as the free tier, a basic offering remaining accessible to everyone, generating up to 10 prompts per day, supported by ads, with a queue limit of 5 simultaneous requests. But then they started adding 3 more plans. The Willower, for just $5 per month, you can generate up to 50 prompts per day with a queue limit of 5 too. Moving on to the Blue Angel, the most popular tier at $10 a month, now allows members to generate up to 100 prompts per day with a queue limit of 10 simultaneous requests. As well as you also gain access to the benefits of the live chats, the premium generation channels, and the VIP contests and newsletter. The final tier is the Sapphire. We're talking about a premium tier where you get 200 prompts a day, a queue limit of 10, and of course all the perks from the last tier, the Blue Angel. Since this is run in the Discord, for this you have to type /subscribe in the Blue Willow server. They're currently charging in US dollars and using Stripe for the payment system, with plans to introduce more payment options in the future. Thank you for joining us today on AI Plus More. We hope you found this review of Blue Willow informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that notification bell for more thrilling explorations into the world of AI and beyond. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of creativity and the incredible power of technology. Make sure to check out these other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.